Guys, so we're gonna be doing a video of slimes, just showing it, no calling names, just do it really fast. Sorry. Right, next slime. This is called cement. I'm just gonna tell you one name of them. I better hurry. Called glitter. This one's called Vaseline, and this one's called flour. It's called glitter. This is called bubblegum. Oh wait, I think I didn't show you, but this one. Okay, the next one. This one's called jewelry. It's really nothing important. This is called baby. And this is same flower. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button and punch that subscribe button in the face and put your post notifications on. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.